Hey, this is Gary and Sharon from Ruff RV Life. We like looking at freedom. Where's freedom brought us? Well, I think we're close to Athens, Tennessee, here at the Niter RV Park. We're going to stay here a couple of days, and this is a was it 25, 26 sites?
Yeah, small park.
Small park, but we're going to check it out, and it's our first time here to see what it's about.
Here's the park. Pull through sites 1 through 11 this way, back in 12 through 16 the other way.
We have to go through.
Are we backing in?
Pull through, but there's not enough room to pull through, see?
Okay, site 5 is right there. 6, 7, 8. They assign you a site. That's 7, 8,
That's 7.
9. Yeah. So 7, 8 is right there where that puppy dog is. 9 is us right here.
You want to unhook right here?
Yeah, is there anybody behind you?
No.
Okay. So there you see 10, 11, and it goes on down. And then the back ends are back the other way. I'm done hooked. So there are some permanent sites here, or you can, well, they do have monthly and yearly. Okay, we're still tow ready to go, so ignore that strap. We're going to head right on up here. There's a bathhouse there. We hope to check that out while we're here.
But do keep in mind, these are full service sites.
They are electric, water, and sewer.
19, 20, 21, 22,
Right.
23, 24, and 25.
Yep. So these appear to be folks who are set up for a little longer term. And their prices are very reasonable for that. So if you're in the area and you need a month's stay or a weekly stay, there you go. All right, and then we just swing around here and head back, getting another view of the campsites, and then we'll also see the back end sites up here. Owners are very nice. You have to call or email to set up your reservation, and they just hold it with a credit card for you, but you get a little bit of a discount if you pay with cash or check. So another look at that bathroom there. Now on their website it does say that these turns might be a little sharp for longer rigs. Just keep that in mind. I don't think we will have a problem. Here's the sites looking this way. These are the pull-through sides.
You may not be able to make that turn down there if you've got a longer motorhome carrying a toad.
Here are the back end sites, and again, some of these back end sites look like they are more regular folks here, seasonal campers. So, in a very pretty area, Tennessee. But we are going to see the Mayfield Dairy and go on a tour. Especially special because Gary here is a former milkman and ice cream man. There is the office over Niter RV Park. Here we are, Mayfield Dairy Farms. "5 minutes from our campground." Love the murals on the side of the walls. Reserved for Maggie only. Is that their mascot?
I think so.
There are bus field trips here. Look, all about cows. They drink 30 to 50 gallons of water each day. That's a lot of water.
Yeah.
They produce 9 gallons of milk. If you ate like a cow, you would have to eat 360 cheeseburgers and drink 60 cartons of milk a day. They eat 100 pounds of food every day. Oh man. That's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
There's a theater. Can you go in there and watch it? A gift shop. Lots of goodies. There's the plant.
Gardens.
The trucks. That's cool. And the pops. The old bottles. So as we leave the Mayfield Dairy here, look at the detail in this. That's beautiful. Well, we did not do the tour because everything was broken down and they really weren't producing. It's $8.50 for adults. But we did eat ice cream and buy t-shirts. That's a giant cow. Hey, stand by the cow. Let me get a picture of the scale of the size of that cow. No. That's awesome. They had some pretty interesting cow facts in there. All right. Well, we came, we saw, and now we leave. Here in Athens, Tennessee.
Well, fellow RVers, this is Gary. So we're going to wrap this little tour up, but we're not going to wrap it up from Niter RV Park because we're not there. We had to move before we could get our wrap up in. We are at Panther Creek, which is close to Knoxville, Tennessee. Morristown, Tennessee is where we're at now. Now, we have been here 2 years ago, so if you want to check out our review of that we did 2 years ago, Panther Creek, go ahead. We will do an updated review here because this is now post-COVID and there's more things open here now. But anyway, back to why I'm here. Niter RV Park in Athens, Tennessee is a nice park for a couple of nights stay if you choose to stay there. It's a full service park. They do have a laundry room. They have some workout equipment there. And if you want things to do, about a 5-minute drive up the road is Mayfield Dairy and Ice Cream Factory. If you want to tour the plant, you can. The tours are not expensive. It's like I think it was $9, something like that.
$8.50, I do believe.
$8.50 for the tour, yes. And they do produce ice cream there and milk. And with the tour ticket, you do get a free scoop of ice cream. Yeah.
And you can upgrade your scoop of ice cream for like $1 or $2 to get a waffle cone or something else.
They do have a gift shop there. Or if you want to purchase ice cream like me and Sharon did, you know, I got myself a waffle cone, 2 big scoops of really good ice cream, $5. So that's not bad, and the ice cream and the milk that Mayfield makes is actually really good stuff. I can vouch for that anyway in my past life.
Me, because you are a...
Because I used to work for a dairy that sold Mayfield ice cream. So that was the Mayfield plant. It was right up the street. We went to a little park called Eureka Park, which is they have a fitness course for walking or biking. And they also have a longer trail that you can walk or bike there. It's like a rail trail type of deal. And that is about, I don't know, 10 minutes away. The city of Athens is not far up the road, where they, of course, have all the stores and shops and all of that is located up in Athens, Tennessee. Restaurants and all that. We are literally about a quarter mile from I-75. Our internet service there was good. We had a nice site, level site, gravel site, and the owners were very nice people, and the managers. We met the owner; he was a nice man, and the lady that checked us in. It was just we got taken care of really well there.
Well, you can get a half-a-mile dog walking around just the campground. Just
right.
If you do a circle around the campground, it's about a half a mile. So decent amount of space to walk your pup. One thing to add. You got to tell them about Diggers. Well,
there's a place, there's a little store by 75. It's called Diggers, and it's like a secondhand shop, but not.
Well, no, it's
they sell like
closeout.
It's
a
closeout store. That's what I was trying to get.
Yeah,
it's a closeout store. They have stuff in there from like a Dollar General's that closed, and they buy their old merchandise from them or new, and they mark it down. But they have bins there, boxes like from unclaimed mail or unclaimed
packages.
So you can buy a box for like $6 or an envelope for like $3 or something like that. And it's potluck. Whatever's in the box is what you get. So you don't know what's in there. But it's something somebody ordered and didn't pick up, or something like that. So and of course they got all kind of other little stuff in there. You know, tools and blanket, or just a bunch of different odds and ends in there.
Yeah, it's interesting to poke around. It's
Yeah.
right up the road. It's right by I-75s.
So anyway, that's called Diggers. Let's wrap this one up, because we're up here now and a little bit farther into Tennessee, and we will, like I said, we'll be doing a review on the park we're at. So click like and subscribe, and have a safe journey. We like looking at freedom. Hope to see you on the road someday. Take care.
On the road, going to our next stop, North in Tennessee.